Royal family Satavahanas, capital city Python in Maharashtra, famous king Gautami Putra Satkarni.
Kadambas, capital city Banavasi, famous king Mayuravarma.
Gangas, capital city Talakadu, famous king Durvinita.
Chalukyas, capital city Badami, famous king Imadi Pulakeshi.
Pallavas, capital city Kanchi, famous king Narasimhavarma.
Rashtrakutas, capital city Maniakheda, famous king Amugavarsha Nurutunga.
Kalyani Chalukyas, capital city Basava Kalyana, famous king Vikramaditya VI.
Hoysalas, capital city Dhara Samudra, famous king Vishnuwardhana.
Cholas, capital city Tanjavur in Tamil Nadu, famous king Raja Chola.